Okay, let's show you how to get connected to the Summer Passport program via the GooseChase app. The first thing we're going to do is head to the Play Store or iTunes, wherever you get your apps. And then we're going to search for GooseChase. That's it at the top. And we're going to go ahead and install if you haven't already. Since I've already installed it, I'm going to open it. And I'm going to play with a new account. This is where you enter in your username, password, and email, and hit sign up. You're going to want to search at the top for Summer Passport. And you're going to want to find your local hub. In this instance, we're going to select the Box Elder Hub. You're going to select Team, Join a Game, and you're going to hit Create Team. And this is where you can change your name to something really fun. Hit Create Team and Join Game. And get ready for the game to begin. Now there are a couple things about GooseChase that we would like to draw your attention to. We love this platform. It's an online or app-based scavenger hunt, and we use it a little bit differently than what it was created to do. Instead of using it as a scavenger hunt game, we use it as a platform for the Summer Passport adventures. And it's not a game that lasts only a few hours or a few days, but it's available all summer long for families to enjoy and to benefit from. Rather than it being a competition, we use this platform to provide ideas for families to spend time together while keeping their bodies active and their minds engaged. These differences can lead to confusion, so here's a quick hint to make it a little bit easier. When GooseChase calls something a game, we call it a discovery hunt, or in the case of the Summer Passport program, we call it the app hub. When GooseChase uses the word mission, we use the word adventure. And when GooseChase says something is called evidence, we call it a selfie or we call it a submission. Let's break it down a little bit more. You notice near the top you have two tabs, remaining and completed. Once you have completed a mission, it will be listed under your completed side, and what you have yet to do remains on the remaining tab. You can actually use the search at the top by hitting the search icon and search for missions by name. It will pull up everything with your search term. Using the app, you can complete each mission once. If you want to complete one more than once, you will have to use the online version, the website at summerpassport2021.com. Now you can see what other families are doing by hitting the feed, which is the second tab at the top. You can see that Robinson's Rock completed Bridging the Distance, sponsored by Radio, and they earned 1,000 points. Please note that pictures on the app are not private. If you want to keep them private, then the website is the better option for you. By choosing the stats icon in the middle, you can see where you stand. Under the notifications icon, you can see any notifications that have been sent out. And under the My Team at the end, you can see any submissions that you have done. And this is technically the adventure photo journal for your app hub. Let's walk you through submitting evidence for an adventure. So let's go back to our adventure list. And we're going to select the top one. You can tell by the picture icon that this mission is a picture or a video submission. So share a picture of something or somewhere that matches your dad's personality. So my dad is a pretty handy guy, and he likes to carry a pocket knife. I do remember that about him. So I'm going to go ahead and submit evidence, and I'm going to snap a photo. We won't show one of myself, but I'll put a photo of a really cool a Swiss Army knife. And I can add a comment here. And I can hit submit evidence. Okay, let's walk through a text submission. You can tell a text submission, it's a different color icon and it looks like writing on a piece of paper. We'll go for the real prize and scroll all the way down, and it says that we need to share thoughts on why you're participating. So let's say that our answer, we're going to say to have fun. Scroll and hit submit evidence. And that one has now been marked complete. You can find additional information on most of the adventures by scrolling down in the adventure and hitting the attached link, and it will take you to the website and gives you more information about our sponsors and about this particular adventure. You can go back to come back to the app and note that I have now 2 completed missions on the completed tab and the rest under the remaining. There are over 100 things that you can do with your family to help strengthen those family bonds and build resilience in your children and in your grandchildren. Thanks for participating in our Summer Passport program, and we encourage you to join your local Facebook community, and we encourage you to invite your family and friends to participate with you and on their own.